With Cloudinary's public roadmap, you have the ability to impact the company's development work and have a direct say in the features we create. You can easily find it at cloudinary.com/roadmap. You can see all of the projects we're considering today, as well as see those that are planned for development. You can also get the first look at any features or functionality we have recently launched. By selecting any project, you can get more details about it, as well as even see the product department team member who is leading its development efforts. From there, you can indicate how important it is to you, as well as provide a personalized message to help explain your choice. This is tied to your Cloudinary account, so the ability to comment is only available to registered users. You can even send us your own ideas if they are not currently part of a product board. So take the time to help guide Cloudinary for your particular needs with the public roadmap today. We'd love to hear from you.